Here is our campground here in Commerce, Georgia, north of Athens. This is a huge Skidaway. It looks brand new, actually. Oh, filtered water, fresh ice. Nice. Yet again, really nice private facilities. Slain. He is down. He is out. Haven't even started and he's already asleep. I just caught you. Look, Luke, you're even on camera. Back in 88 REM switched from being an independent label band to a major label band, which was part of their growth. And the label that they were on, Athens Records, released a eponymous album, which is like a greatest hits. And I bought that album. That was my introduction to REM. And, you know, of course, they had been doing really well in the record, MTV and everything, and on the charts and stuff. And it's kind of my introduction to alternative music. And I guess they set the genre. And apparently this town, for whatever reason, was like the birthplace of all of that. And Georgia Theater, that's pretty cool. Downtown Athens. Here we go. This is the place. I'm going in. Alright, so I came here. I'm getting the shirt. And the inside of Wuxtry. Is that the county courthouse over there? Wow, this is fancy. And it's just what I need too. The Portland Loo. A unique solution to a universal problem. Nice. We've come into a place called Chocolate and Coffee. There goes that, getting water for the dongies. Closest thing I could find to a soda fountain downtown. Oops. You scream, we all scream for gelato. Right, Saya? Saya. Normally I can't shut you up, but now I have a camera on, you're just like all like, I'm over it.
That's him.
Talk to the hand. Coffee, milkshake.
Zach, closer to Saya.
And the doggos, of course, got theirs. Pup cup, whipped cream. And Stella is just too good for it, isn't she? Can I take this, Stella? Can I take this? Give it to Jimmy. Come on. Can I take it? Give it to. Oh, there we go. The place is called Condor Chocolates, and of course, picture. The historic Morton Theater. And here's the 40 Watt Club, which looks closed, of course. 40 Watt Club. So while we're visiting historic REM sites, here it is, the church where they got their start. REM Pop Song 79. Says it right up there. And the steeple has been, the rest of the church, the sanctuary and everything is gone. The steeple has been stabilized. So a major part of American music history still stands. And I also noticed, I'm betting this was either part of the church or structure next door, and it's pretty cool looking. And also very old. Wow. And here's another view before we head on our way to Savannah, Georgia. Driving through Georgia on very rural roads, surrounded by pine trees, of course. We in the deep south. Putting the kiddos to work, trying to get all that nasty bugs off the windshield. Finally. It's right, and there's a rainbow. Rainbow! As we just crossed over into Bullock County. Funny name. We are entering Skidaway Island. This is very picturesque. We gotta figure out where our campground is. Been what, how many years? 2014. Parking fee required. Maybe.
It's been, what do you mean parking fee? It's been 99 years since last. Camper check-in registration gift shop. So move ahead.
What's this?
I don't know.
Is this for us?
It's Junior Ranger Weekend.
Attendant not on duty. Shelter. Staff residence. See, this is why we like this park. It's so pretty.
At the stop sign, make a U-turn.
And sing can. It's done. Thank you very much.
Campground that way. Camper check-in this way. Well, we don't need to check in because we're given
Do we need to go get the...
the paper.
Yeah. Let's go by there.
Okay.
All right. This is Skidaway Island Campground. And this is our camp right here. We just parked and hooked up everything. And we're conveniently located next to the showers and everything.
We won't even head to Florida till what?
And we're talking to my sister about
What day
our
today?
cat,
Monday?
which is at the house.
Monday, Tuesday. So yeah,
I hear thunder boomers. It rained on our way in here, and now I can hear thunder. And it looks like it's been raining here. We could do with a little rain. Hopefully our leaky skylight isn't leaky anymore. Hopefully it got fixed.